Okay, I met my wife. We were over to Clearfield County Fair, and she was over there with Richard and Leroy and her sister Nancy. And we were introduced there. And then a couple weeks later, they were at the Kreiner reunion at the dance.
I believe we met at the Kreiner reunion, and it was in Du Bois there someplace, up by the roller rink, I believe. It was at a park there, and they had a square dance. So I probably went up with the neighbors, which is his cousins. My Uncle John raised peas for the Heinz Company. And after they cut the peas on windrows and hauled them into the pea factory, then people came into the field and gathered up the loose peas that laid on the ground, that they didn't go to waste.
Originally, I believe, now she says no, but I believe I met her at her Uncle John's farm. They used to raise peas, and then my mother and I went down and gathered up the peas that were left in the field. And I remember this girl there gathering up peas, but she says no.
Well, I do not recall of seeing him in the pea patch. I was busy picking peas myself, and of course eating them.
But I'm pretty sure it had to be her. And then I started going down to Big Run and dancing, and then we started dating. And I think what got me about her was her smile. She had a really nice smile.
Well, his consideration and caring, his love for me and for our kids, and providing with his business, it was what he wanted. He was happy in it, and just living together and having a good family. My aunt had given me an old typewriter, an antique one.
We always told everybody after we got married that
we've always joked about it. I guess it got knocked off and got broken, and then he had a typewriter. So we decided that we needed to get married because I had the typewriter stand and he had the typewriter.
That's why we got married.